Welcome to the Vessel Online. I'm Adam Paulsen. The USF Activities Board is always coming up with cool new activities for students to come and enjoy. Great for getting to know new people and for having a bit of fun. The latest of these events was DIY Night. Here's Jacob Van Engen with more on the story.
The Cougar Activities Board, or CAB, continues to find new ways to entertain and connect students. The latest of these ways being DIY Night. CAB member Edwin Iraheta-Retana tells about the latest of these events.
We made slime, except it was a no glue slime. So it was more kind of like a Play-Doh that was a little bit softer and it had more stretch to it. I wanted to get something a little bit more creative. I like dealing with the arts because that's my whole major and everything. So I was like, what's something I can do that everybody likes and can get people to come out and actually interact with other people and get to know new people.
USF sophomore Ben Heckmann tells us about the process for making slime and shares his thoughts on the DIY night.
You take some of that white powder stuff, no idea what's in it, and then you take conditioner basically, and you mix the two together, and it creates some sort of weird ball, and then you can put food coloring in it. I really enjoy them. I like making fun little crafts. Just inexpensive stuff we can take home. I like that.
Never running out of ideas, Iraheta-Retana talks about some of CAB's future events.
Flannel Friday is coming up after spring break, and that one is a contest. So the best dress of flannel will win a gift card.
With USF The Vessel Online, I'm Jacob Van Engen.
I need more shampoo in this thing, so I'll fix that in a minute.
You can keep up with any of the activities that the Cougar Activity Board puts on, as well as many other events with the USF app on both the Android and iTunes store. Do you think you have what it takes to make others laugh? Boss's Comedy Club is bringing you its comedy open mic night every Wednesday night from 8 to 10 p.m. Everyone is welcome to sign up for 5 minutes on stage. Sign up is 30 minutes prior to showtime at 7:30 p.m. Food and drink is available and encouraged at open mic night, and there are specials every week. Located at Boss's Pizza and Chicken at 2111 South Minnesota Avenue. For more information, you can follow Boss's Comedy Club on Facebook and Twitter at Boss Comedy Club. Come back tomorrow for another Vessel Online installment. I'm Adam Paulsen.